Hi, YouTube. This is Neil. You're watching Get Technical, brought to you by Benzinga. Welcome. This is a show where we get very serious about investing and trading stocks, Pokemon cards, and tulip bulbs. How's everybody doing? What Up Friday is right. Happy mother freaking Friday, everybody. Give me a 1 in the chat if you're feeling loose, feeling good. It's about to be the weekend. Alex, that's not what I was doing. Nice. Nice. Did you get this one? With the tells a little story there. Did you get that one? Oh, Alina, I'm sorry to hear that. Sorry to hear that. Hell yeah. Now we're talking. We're feeling loose. Is today Friday the 13th for real? Stubby is in the house. Resolve with the sweet aesthetic spelling. Wow, it is Friday the 13th. Crazy. Guys, what are your plans for the weekend? Let me know what your plans are. Anyone doing anything cool? Let me know. And don't say you're going to be lying in bed trading cryptocurrency on your iPad. Limited edition. Get technical with Neil. Lotto Friday. Yeah. Oh, there's a meteor shower. That's fucking... What? I wonder if I can see that from downtown Detroit. Right next to the Motor City Casino. Craft going axe throwing. Oh, it got rescheduled. Axe throwing's fun. I think it's crazy that they let people do that because it bounces back so often. That's insane. Like what are the statistics on people getting smacked, like cleaved in the face by an axe throwing accident? No, we don't want a GIF. Oh God, do you guys want to watch some videos? It is Friday Fun Day. Friday Fun Day, and all I gotta say is Palantir, I'm in. Palantir's got that young gap though. Loving it. It is in this Head and Shoulders thing. We got this breakout coming. I want to see if it can retest support and tell me that support is still the resistance, this previous resistance in this little bull pattern. I want to see that tested, which it really kind of has. But I want to be really sure that this previous resistance, my chart's really small, but this previous resistance is now support, and then that's going to tell everybody else pile in, so that means stock go up. That's what I want to see. So Palantir is my baby. I love my baby. There you go. Justin laying in bed, trading crypto on my Android. Ain't nothing wrong with that. Great. If you guys want some really good practice on faster intraday trading, I think cryptocurrency is the best sandbox for that. It just is, because it can be more volatile, so you can treat it like what, and there's so much variety, and you can do it at a time where you're able to focus on it. And you like whatever, like at night, whatever, after market hours. You got real money on the line, so you're actually thinking, you're actually like the emotions are at play, so you're actually making yourself stick to your system. Yeah, that's at least that's what I did. I got a lot of scalping, like trying out scalping stuff with Dogecoin, no less, of all things. And that scalping Dogecoin was just the Fibonacci, baby. Like everyone talks about. I mean, I know there's haters in here. Haters, get out.
Be gone, haters.
But it just obeys the Fibonacci. That's all there is to it. Looking at that thing on the 10, the 5, whatever. Fibonacci's. That's it, baby. Also pivots. So what are you guys doing this weekend? So we got Lion on trading crypto on your phone. Oh, that is very different, Darren. That's good. That's good. Make sure you get some sun, okay, Darren, because you are looking a little vampire-y lately, and people in the office are starting to talk.
Me?
Hanging out with my dog. Well, we expect that, right? Just showing a little solidarity there, Captain Cappy. I like to see that. Yeah, collect that data, report back. Oh, you want to look at body? That we know someone that really likes that ticker. Do you, Aaron Bree? Do you know? You weren't here actually, so we were talking. We had Investor Stallone, who's Sylvester Stallone's cousin, on the show. Big body bull.
Really?
So we can look at that. But I'm telling you, like, plain and simple. All right. So Airbnb. All of these stocks that I've been talking about. Give me a or a 1 in chat if you guys have been playing the stocks that we've been talking about that are in these oversold sort of accumulation stages that we've been talking about for the past couple weeks. Everything is happening the way we want it to happen.
I do have to apologize.
A lot of folks say that technical analysis is like tea leaves, it's mumbo jumbo, and like, yeah, what are you, magic? And you look into a crystal ball and you see the future? Yes, I can, motherfuckers. And then we've been doing it. That's what we do on Get Technical. All right, $1 in the swear jar. I don't have any cash money on me, so I'll use this inhaler. I'm going to put this inhaler in my limited edition Benzinga Bootcamp mug. So the next time I have an asthma attack, I'll remember. Okay, you swore.
I was just going to apologize,
yeah, baby,
for
damn, we've got some good picks on here. Captain Cappy's the only one.
Neil, you asked me yesterday what I thought.
All right, so yeah, the Fibonacci, get it right.
Can you not hear me?
Fibonacci is awesome, Justin. Is fantastic. Oh, preseason football starting. All right, Darren, so you got plans for sure.
Can Neil hear me right now?
Do I leverage on crypto? William asks. I haven't. I'm too scared. Maybe, I don't know, man. If I could, if it depends on the brokerage. So I have to bounce between, like, here, I'm going to show you my tabs. You guys can see up here, like, I've got 3 crypto brokerages right here. And I just started opening a Voyager account. I've got Kraken, Binance, and Gemini. And then I'm just starting to use Voyager. They're all so different. They're all so different in terms of how they let you do stops and stuff like that. So I'm a little bit freaked about the leverage idea. I don't like leverage on the downside. So AB can gear you, but not. I don't know what that means. Wait. AB, have you been speaking?
Can you hear me?
Okay. Fuck. All right. Hold on 1 second.
I thought he was playing the mean joke where he just acts like I don't exist, and then I like have to worry, like, am I a ghost now?
Does this only happen on Get Technical?
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah.
Okay, I can hear you now.
All right, beautiful.
I'm sorry about that, guys.
Oh man, I was starting to worry. Like, am I a ghost now? Shoot.
So guys, while it is true, it's actually in the contract. The show is about me and my life. There's a lot of corners, crevices, little sweaty spots in my life that we haven't gotten into. So definitely stay tuned. Season 2 is going to be a real heartbreaker. I hope you didn't fall in love with any characters, AB. But yeah, AB is also here. He is a favorite on the show. So love for AB is very welcome. Very welcome.
When I was trying to speak earlier, I was just going to apologize for. You asked me on the show yesterday if I thought Airbnb's earnings were going to be good, and I said yes, and I was in fact wrong. But the stock has bounced back nicely from the bad earnings report, so.
Yeah, I'm on the 10-minute here. Let us know. So, like, guys, we did this little thing yesterday where it was like, okay, Delta variant's a thing. And here's my leading indicator, besides just like reading like what's happening in the world from like good sources of information, besides Facebook and not being a freaking idiot, is that I go climbing a lot. I'm a climber. I go to a rock climbing gym. Rock climbing gym just now started requiring masks for everyone, no exceptions again. And I think that that's going to be a leading indicator for a potential shutdown of said gym here because of Delta variant. So I'm watching for that. So guys, let us know what you think. Do you think Airbnb is going to suffer from Delta variant? And this thing, like, we don't know. I don't know. Is there going to be a new vaccination, a new type of booster shot? I have no idea. But I'm just polling you guys. One for Airbnb to the moon. 2 for COVID variant, Delta variant is going to affect their outlook negatively.
What we could do, Neil, is hold on here. Let me share my screen real quick.
Oh, make sure you.
I know. Close all the other tabs. Yeah. What we can do,
dude. Everyone's okay. Hold on. So we got Airbnb to the so Bruins are first bear here. Aaron, Bull, Bear. Not quite sure is kind of where I am. Cappy is a long-term play. I am too. But the thing is, I got to be honest with you guys. Like, just kind of the way things are going, I don't think we're really going to be out of the water for like another year and a half.
Wow. So what I was going to show you, Neil, is if we pull up, this is just the COVID-19 chart for the U.S. And it looks like we are in an uptrend, but we're approaching some previous resistance up here. So, depending on what happens, I might like this as a short at a certain point. But definitely the trend is your friend. We could get a little toppy up here. We'll have to look at what the volume is doing. But yeah, I mean, definitely some indicators there.
Yep. And my question for you guys, this is a philosophical kind of ethical thing. Who's really the good taste police? Who's to say whether a joke is in good taste? Whose job is that? Who's the arbiter of good taste? Comedy is really under a lot of pressure these days, I feel like. So, completely unrelated note. Let's look at Airbnb on the hourly and watch it. Baby. All right. So we're really playing with this line here. And look at that VWAP. Let's get down to the 10-minute on Airbnb. I just want to get an idea what's going on for the day, What is going on with previous resistance right now? What's going on? We got two things. One is you got the VWAP anchored to the month, all right? And that's been support various times throughout all these 10-minute sessions here with ABNB. All right. We've got some volatile movement losing support where I drew my line. Now we're watching for that as support. And again, I think this is similar to for a swing trading perspective, for just like a trading perspective in general. Like, again, I'm similar to Cappy here in chat, where Airbnb, I think, is just long-term a success story, will be a big success story. And we'll look back and be like, I bought, I'm the man that bought ABNB at $7, and it will be like a $3,000 stock. That's my not humble opinion.
You think it's going to $7?
No, the opposite. I think. No, I don't think that. I was going to try to respond with some math. English major. That's not really my strong suit. So, anyways. Can we make this line support? We got to see, but we can see the volume profile peeking out here. But Aaron, you're absolutely right on that little bounce back, baby. Absolutely right. Lots, and we have momentum on the RSI. We got momentum on volume just increasing each day. Looking good. Palantir, we've talked about quite a lot. Palantir, I want to see a pullback on, or at least I'm expecting sort of a pullback, just because we've got this big swift movement coming out. I kind of want to see it confirm that previous resistance is now support. I'm okay with losing a couple bucks to be cautious there. Palantir, and where I'm marking that is right here at about 24 bucks, 24 and a quarter. But you guys can probably see my dotted lines. Yeah, you got them here. These are all my alerts. I mean, if this thing runs, your boy's hopping in. If it goes down and bounces, your boy's hopping in. So I'm just looking for entries. I'm net long Palantir. Docusign. I was looking. Actually, it could be doing it. Look at. Okay, we already got the Fibonacci on Docusign. I entered Docusign during this run, and I entered it saying I hope that this doesn't turn into a top out. But we are holding above. This is just levels, guys. Super simple. Previous all-time high resistance is now pretty solidly, very solidly holding as support. We're getting the 1 month VWAP here as our resistance. And this could be just like a rough and stupid kind of cup with handle, or it could be the formation of a double Topos. So what I'm going to do is just, which is you guys know that's what the term they teach you in trading school. So I'm watching for confirmation. If we break below this level, that's a bad look for Docusign, because then we're looking at this like double Topos. We don't want that. And of course, the next line of support is going to be something like this, or even watching the Fibonacci right here. But breaking above this VWAP, breaking above this line right here, your boy's getting some more Docusign. I got some contracts. I need you to click on the little thing. Oh, thanks, Quebec, for the $10 on the COVID trend chart analysis. All right. So, I mean, who is the arbiter of what is tasteful in comedy? You know, money. That's what it is. That's really what's the arbiter of what is tasteful in this world. So thanks for the 10, Quebec. Keep those jokes coming, AB.
Yeah. Let me know your Venmo, Quebec. I'll Venmo you back $10. I appreciate it, but yeah, I feel bad taking money off. Maybe
don't think about it too much.
Off-color joke like that.
Don't think about it too much. Docusign, if we get this bounce and this is just looking like a flag, guys, there's no reason why this can't just, we're so afraid of like topping out, because we all just came out of a massive growth phase for growth stocks, like just a massive run. So we're always looking for top outs. But this, we've got our markup phase. We had a little accumulation. We hit some resistance. We broke out of that. There's no reason this can't just be a bull flag. Let's take a look at it on the weekly. And on the weekly, I'm far less concerned here. Yes, we got some overbought status here, but that just means we need some consolidation, baby. We need to hang out a consolidation station before the bus pulls up. All right, what was the other one? Oh, Unity. Let's check on Unity. Unity software. What do you guys think about this? Give me a 1 if you got into Unity when we called it a rat snack. Or before, because it seems that you guys are like always ahead of me. Give me a 1 if you got in. And otherwise, just let me know what pattern you see here. This is beautiful. This is damn good looking.
Yeah, I mean, it looks like we got room to run up until that previous resistance levels. I don't know what that. Here, let's go full screen for a second.
The yellow dotted line.
I mean, yeah, definitely we could hit that and come back down a little bit. But I was even looking up more at the previous support levels up there at, what is that, 155? I think long term that could be a price target.
155 all the way up here? Or do you mean this?
Yeah, I meant that. I just couldn't see exactly where it was at.
Yeah, that can definitely be a target. And there's a gap S here, I'm pretty sure. So let me VWAP. Yeah. So there's a gap to close, baby. Unity is about to rip. Head and shoulders breakout. That's right, Igor. You get 10,000 Benzinga points. So congratulations on that. Yeah, we're looking good, but you know what? Just like what's that? Everclear, just like Everclear daiquiris, there is a such thing as too much too fast with stocks. And we moved real quick here in Unity. And you can see that we're getting back to these overbought statuses. And my RSI is more sensitive than yours. I'm just gifted that way, guys. Life rips. So when we've gotten to these levels on the RSI in the past, they have been sell-offs, but they haven't been like brutal. Like they've actually been entry points. So we're at that level again right now. And that's lining up with the approach to this previous resistance level. So really, just for this to look good, we got a couple levels that we're going to watch for, because investors need to see, algos need to see, everyone needs to see that previous resistance has in fact become support. So 115. There ain't nothing wrong with getting that pullback back to 115, which is the neckline on our head and shoulders here, which is where the previous gap down started. So you absolutely can get that, but you can remain net long. I mean, if we look at this from a weekly, it's just a plain out head and shoulders. And I've got my levels in here. I've got my price alert set up. We are coming into a pretty congested area on the volume by price. Let's go ahead and pull up the Fibonacci and see if that elucidates anything for us. Yeah, so that's going to line up with that support level that producer AB was talking about, which is 137. So I do not mind that as an intermediate target. I just kind of think that we're not going to get there based on the volume drying up today. Like right now we're back down to average volume and we're overbought. So I'm looking at today like a profit taking day, and then maybe re-enter at a lower price.
Beautiful. Let's check out SoFi real quick, because SoFi is bouncing, or it's sitting at previous support absolutely perfectly today.
I love the dismissive, like, oh, that's great. Next question. Let's keep moving. So fuck you, dude. All right. So Sofi, never heard of this one. What is this?
It's like
what do they do?
Are you being serious right now?
Furniture? No, I'm not being serious. This is the most obnoxiously called out thing. Like, period. Like, out of everything that we do on Benzinga, everyone is just like, Sofi. Like zombies sticking their arms to the door and grabbing us by our throats.
Beautiful. Let's get to the next one.
Jesus Christ, get out of here. AB. All right. I don't think now is the time, because like Sofi's got a choice here, and Sofi has to prove something to us. Oh, look at that. Let's raise this up. Really holding that support. Really holding it. So looking at this one, I don't know too much about why it dropped, but here on the 30-minute, it is super. It's in super oversold territory. If we do see that volume come in, and we start seeing higher highs on this, I mean, this is very simple, guys. Right here, you just got this downward trend. If we break out of this downward trend, I'm looking at the 30-minute chart, SoFi. If we get a good candle breaking out of that, you can go long and look for this previous high here. But I'm going to want to see an actual reversal structure, which is like here we've got a V-shaped reversal. Here, this would probably in a longer time frame is sort of like a double bottom or a rounded bottom. So you're going to want to see that structure. This is the beginning of what can be a structure. It could just form like a base and then start to come up on the right side, like something like this. And then ideally it's getting some highs. But I would not enter until we get that reversal structure, because then the breakout's going to happen when it breaks out of this level right here, which is like 15.5. I'll just mark that for you guys. Oh, damn, I nailed that. 15.5. And then you shoot for that gap close, which can be, let's see how substantial that is. A magnitude of to like 12.25%. So yeah, that's my take. It's gotta stick where it is for a little bit, and then show us something. I don't think we're gonna get it today, but I mean, I don't know. It's showing us that's really holding the support. So if you want to do a little lotto action, I mean, you can buy the dip. This is a very popular stock. It just has been kind of shitty for a while. This rounding bottom structure got totally destroyed. But you can certainly look for this gap to close. You just, you might get whipsawed or surprised if we don't get a solid structure that shows that it's going to reverse its current trajectory. SoFi is the bootleg Siri. I want to buy SoFi at 15, but today's price movement makes me suspicious. Well, I mean, look, it's holding support. Let's go down to 10 minutes. I mean, it's just really solidly holding this level. And look at this. I can get more exact with this. Let me delete some drawings. I mean, yes, the gap down, everyone should be suspicious about a gap down, but you should also be licking your chops because that's a potential opportunity. So yeah, I mean, we are in some choppus. But let's just use, so at this level, what is this? It's a $15 stock. For the $15 stock, it's okay just to use the candle body instead of the wick. Little tip for you guys with the smaller stocks. So as long as we're holding this base level of support, you can look for a breakout of that downward trend as a potential entry. But I think there's more interesting things happening in the market than SoFi right now, just technically speaking. You want to look at Fubo? Let's do it.
Yeah, I think it's a very big like moment of truth for SoFi here. Are we going to blow past that previous support? Are we going to bounce? Who knows?
So I like Fubo at this level. Fubo might be a buy the dip opportunity. How bad were their earnings? Woo! What the hell happened? You guys aren't watching enough sports on your smart TVs? What the heck? Oh, the song is cool. You ain't got it. This could be a nice little buy the dip opportunity. Let's look at it on the old Bollinger Band. How about that? We got Fubo, F-U-B-O, Fubo TV. I don't know. Are they doing an offering? Can you confirm that, AB? Pull up Benzinga Pro or something and let us know.
Yeah, for sure.
I don't know much about it. The first time I actually saw it, Fubo, I was at my dad's house, and my dad is a boomer. And he's got like every time there's a bigger TV that my dad is the guy that like talks to other guys like construction workers and stuff like that or whatever. My dad is a contractor. And they'll be like, oh yeah, I saw a great deal on TV. Thing was like, I don't know, 72, 82 inch thing, big TV, great deal. Walmart down on Livernois. You go pick that thing up, and oh no shit. And they like talk about that kind of stuff. And every time there's a good deal, he wants to get a new TV. It's like the only thing that he's really interested in buying. But I was using his like smart TV, which is like massive. It's like bigger than my apartment. And I saw Fubo TV on there. I was like, oh my God, all those incels that watch me on YouTube like that stock. So yeah, here you go. Antonio. Good looking out, Antonio.
Fubo TV stock pulls back on planned $500 million stock offering. Yeah, so I mean,
buy it up. This is not trading advice. I was talking to myself. I think this is a great time to be buying this thing. We're holding this. Look at this. Look. This resistance level. Bring it down to the wick. Oh shit. Is holding as support. This is dip. This is guacamole. All right, I like it. It still has a broader, good structure.
Hey, Cranky.
Logo. Shout out Royal.
That's where I stay at.
Hey, be careful. Cranky might be a psycho.
Yeah.
And then ADW, I took a free trial of Fubo and didn't think it provided anything unique. Get that fundamental crap out of here. Yeah, you want me to use the anchored VWAP captain, Cappy? I see you. So there you go. I mean, I like these stocks when they get a little bit more oversold. The really good entry would have been here, where scooping. This isn't quite a scoop, but I mean, if it holds this level, you could be looking for the bounce and returning back to this neckline on this rounding bottom, which is, I don't think anything too bad. It's 17%, babies. Ain't nothing wrong with that. We do have some good Middle Eastern food places. Thank you,
dude. That's like all we get in the office. It's kind of annoying sometimes. I love it. But
well, now that Mr. Kebab is back open, you guys are living large.
I know. It's like, well, we're going to Mr. Kebab on Mondays and Bucharest on Tuesdays and back to Mr. Kebab on, it's a lot of hummus.
All right, we're looking at Starbucks on the 1 day. All right, so this is for Dog with Toupee. Where did Dog with Toupee go? I just
he went to Colgate. Oh.
Right. Dog with Toupee, what are you anchoring your VWAP to? Trading below on the month. Year to date. All right, so Captain Cappy wants us to look at Starbucks, SBUX, and we're anchoring the VWAP, the volume weighted average price, which is basically a moving average that also takes into account the volume at particular prices, and that or the trailing prices. And then you can anchor it so that the formula that is used to calculate this line has a particular input. And there's a lot of people are getting really creative with VWAP and saying, put it at the previous all-time high, put it at the previous high, put it at, I don't know, an earnings date and stuff like that. Right now, we're just going to do, I believe, year to date, if I haven't just totally whiffed on that. I think it's year to date. It's joking right at the year to date, looking for an oversold. It's looking, I think, is what you meant to type. Did the weekend started early there, Dog with Toupee? All right, so year to date. Wait, that just goes back a year. God, I hate this. Okay, we're getting a new volume profile tool right now. Or not volume, but VWAP tool. VWAP anchored. All right, we're doing it. What's a good one? You guys use this one? Jamie Spips. Shout out Jamie Spips. Let's check it out. What do you got? Okay, so we're going to do 2021 month. So this is where I'm anchoring it to. I'm going to say month 1, day 1, hour. I don't give a shit about. And show up on my chart, please. Please show up on my chart. Okay, Jamie's Pips, you fail. You didn't show up on my chart. Who's got a good anchor VWAP for TradingView? So he's also pointing out that we're at the control point of the volume profile. So let's pull out our anchored volume profile. So volume by price, visible range. Whoops, I don't want to do that. I did that the wrong way. Fixed range, and we're just going to go like this. I'm going to delete this additional one. That's probably doing something more like this. Yeah, I don't know what you're doing, dude. I don't know how you got the that to be the point of control. We do have this shelf right here. That's where it's holding support, right there. So what we're looking at is a potential bounce for S-Bucks. Actually, you know what? I'm liking this. We got S-Bucks on the list. Let's get S-Bucks on the list.
Adding it to the list.
I need what's S-Bucks at? 16. All right, I need about 25 shares of S-Bucks. Can you get that through to me? I need 25 shares of S-Bucks above the VWAP. AB, can you get that in for me?
Yep, we're getting the order in.
All right, thank you. All right, talk to you next week. How are you kids?
Good. Middle school starting back up.
All right.
Can you believe people used to actually like call their stockbrokers to make trades?
I wish I could do that.
Just call up a dude at Robinhood and be like, "Hey, I want to buy some Dogecoin here."
Vlad, Neil, give me some Dogecoin. I don't know.
Should we do that? We should make a new brokerage that like the caveat is you have to call to make the trades and just go like back in time. And then we can like IPO, make a lot of money.
We can do it. We can try it.
I think it would really come down to the marketing of it.
Put me a dime on Doge. Never been said before. Yeah, I mean, this is just looking at levels, as pointed out astutely by who got that one. Yeah, Alina. Yeah, so we've got this shelf here, and we can just see this has been resistance here for a few times. So let's see what it looks like on the weekly. Yeah, very clear. So we've got day of resistance here, support right here. We lost this level, so previous resistance is also resistance on this week. But looking where we're at right now on this Friday as we close the week, it looks like we're wanting to hold kind of where that wick is. But okay, got support there on that green. Not even break down on the wick, just keeping that body looking nice. Resistance, good level for an entry. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some shares. I think some comments. I don't know, maybe some options. How much are options right now for S-Bucks? You want to look it up? How much are October 15th calls for Starbucks?
Dude, you know what's kind of scary is the studio room I'm in. My Robinhood is just like permanently signed into it. So if anyone ever got in here and just typed in Robinhood, like it goes straight to my portfolio. And they could do whatever.
They would have like $500 to play with.
My buying power right now is $266.76, and a lot of that is on margin.
My buying power. you go into what's his name?
Ben Shapiro.
Yeah, go right into Ben Shabino. Well, actually,
I will destroy you with facts and logic. All right, let me look. Trades, Starbucks options. What do you want me to look at?
See what the in the money Starbucks call options cost for the October 15th expiration, if there is an October 15th. If not, just do like mid to late October.
All right, expiring October 15th. What was the strike price again? Sorry, this thing is being
the strike price is the immediate in the money strike price.
Okay, so 115. They're $460 or $4.60.
That's not too crazy. I like them.
No, but right above it at 120 is $2.22. So if you think it could go a little higher up to 120, then those look kind of enticing.
Yeah, they really do. Those are some nice calls. I think I might grab some of those calls, put a little 25% of what I spent on it stop loss on it. You guys, give me a 1 if you think we should go for the, what was the strike price?
120 are $2.22, or 115, which would put you in the money for $4.60.
All right, so let's type it out. Let's type it out for the folks that are visual learners, are more visual oriented people here.
Well, here I can just do this. Boom, baby.
Dang. Okay, so give me a 1 in chat if you think we should go for the 120. Oh, they're getting real cheap at 125, but that's too high.
You think? Too high. I mean, it's 8% to break even in what, about a 2-month period?
What do you guys think? Let us know. You think the 115s, the 120s, or the 125s? 125 is as high as I'll go. I might buy both. I'll buy both. Ignore this is. I'll buy one for you on my account.
All right, thank you.
What do you guys think? You think we go deeper in the money? No, I don't want to go deeper, dude. I don't want to spend $800 on a call on Starbucks. All right, so STPC. Okay, chill, STPC.
What is he saying? Do I need to block him?
He wants to go with no, no, he wants to do the 110 in the monies. I'm not with you on that. This looks pretty sure. I do like it, but remember, my RSI is set to 10 days. So it's
what if we go to October 1st and we want to buy like a 117 maybe?
Well, what's the date right now?
It's August 13th. So either we would still have about 6 weeks if we did October 1st.
I don't like that.
Okay.
I do 2 to 2.5 months is where I live. So go back, scroll up to the in the money line. Scroll not okay. Right now you're looking at $2,000. All right. So what do we like here?
Okay,
we got Captain Cappy is selling puts. All right. Do you hold a bunch of Starbucks, my man?
I don't have enough money in my account to sell puts.
No, not you. I was talking to our viewer. All right. So so we're talking 120, which I'm kind of with you, Damon. I'm kind of with you. Can you stop messing around so I can? I can't remember all these prices, so I need to see them on the screen.
All right.
And you keep playing games. These Zoomers.
Look, I just try to dismiss this thing right here, and it wants me to
put hands above the table. How about that? All right. All right. 120. Okay, so we got Damon wants the 120, the 115. All right, so we want the in the money. 125 less time decay. Split the difference. Yeah, I think I might buy both. I'm kind of thinking buying both. What's the break even at 120? Use an options calculator.
That would be 122.23.
120. Okay, so we're feeling pretty good about the 120s. All right, Captain Cappy. Captain Cappy knows how to trade options. Yeah, it has not shown signs of a reversal. Let's get down. We're looking at the 1 day on Starbucks. So let's go down a little bit. Let's go to the 1 hour. So what I want to see here is signs of a V-shaped reversal, which we're getting, Captain Cappy. We're getting signs of a V-shaped reversal. We didn't get like a true bullish engulfing candle, but we do have our low wick here, our little golf tee, and getting that V shape. But of course, we want to get above this level of resistance here, which is 1 something. Pumpkin spice season might drive them higher. That's exactly right. That's exactly right. Pumpkin spice season.
Damn.
All technical analysts know about that.
I forgot about that catalyst.
What is this? Have you ever watched the stock guy on Twitter? Or not Twitter, on
Twitch.
Twitch.
Yeah.
And the guy that I keep asking you to get on the show, but you never do because you don't want us to succeed and get viewers.
Yep.
Okay, so that guy, he has a saying. Do you know the Becky thing?
Nope.
He says, don't bet against Becky. All right? Becky likes yoga pants. Becky likes little dogs. She's a dog mom. Becky likes pumpkin spice lattes. So when it's companies that are for Becky, don't bet against Becky. And so this, I think, I think Starbucks is a perennial don't bet against Becky play.
I wonder if Becky also trades Dogecoin on Robinhood.
Becky probably says she does on her dating profile. Because but she says, don't message me on this app. I'm never on here. Just follow me on Instagram, is what her Tinder profile is.
Okay, so she's on a Match.com dating app, not Bumble.
Do you use dating apps?
Yeah.
Let's talk about that offline.
All right.
Let's share strategies. Becky uses Schwab.
I think Becky's more of a Robinhood kind of girl, personally. I think the UI, she finds the UI very simple yet comforting on Robinhood.
Shelly, I feel attacked. Guys, look, guys, Becky doesn't watch this show. You'll probably all right. Yeah, Craft is the leading indicator. You just always front run Craft. All right, guys. So this is a Becky play. I like the options on S-Bucks here. So I'm just gonna casually I'm gonna text my broker really quick. Just give me a second. Buying options on a Friday. Gotta love it. Good call from Captain Cappy. Everyone, do a little dog emoji in the chat. Who's Becky? Becky. Okay, so if I just type the term, have you ever heard the Beyonce? Wasn't there the Beyonce lyric Becky?
Becky with the good hair.
Okay,
that's the Beyonce lyric.
Yeah, it is. It sure is. Becky. Okay, please don't. Do I have my safe search on? Yes. Okay, none of these are really showing me. Okay.
Do what's it?
Becky.
Oh no! You're gonna get some dirty results there.
All right.
Google search autumn girl fall, and go to images, and that's Becky.
That's so specific. Autumn girl fall. Yeah, here we go. It's a whole gaggle of Becky's.
That's Becky,
guys.
Right there.
This is when you're getting earnings reports and who's the Starbucks CEO right now?
Becky.
This is when they're like, sales are up. We've seen a lot of success with our new flavor, the unicorn frappy, flappy frappy with sprinkles on it. And we're seeing a really good ratio of new customers from the young demographic women. They're talking about Becky's. All right, they're talking about Becky's, and all of these women here, these fine women, are Starbucks consumers, and they are the ones like the three of them right now. Here, let me do this.
None of those girls have ever been into a Dunkin' Donuts. They exclusively
they want to be caught dead in a Dunkin' Donuts. Like one of their dads would try to make them go to a Dunkin' Donuts, and then they wouldn't talk to their dad for like 2 weeks after that.
Yeah, Dad, they don't have cake pops at Dunkin' Donuts.
Ew. All right, so see the tops of their heads, guys. Sloping line of support. All right, so it's so if we look at and this one here is a little pop that's kind of a wick. Okay, same thing with these two. They got like the same hat. They put all like the. These Indiana Jones hats are so stupid. All right, so we, and this is what we look at when we got Starbucks, guys. See this blue line? It's the Becky's. So I'm just gonna quickly do a quick silhouette sketch. This is Becky's. You got their little bobblehead hat like right there, and you can see right here. This is just more detailed. TradingView just doesn't have the Becky integration, but yeah, it's the Becky's holding up Starbucks. And as we go into pump, and we need to figure out who makes these.
That's
holy shit.
We need a shovel. We need a shovel
who makes these boots.
Okay.
All right. So we've got a solid gaggle of Becky's here in Q3 2021. And we're really seeing it. The algos are picking it up. We're really seeing it here in the support levels here on Starbucks. So I'm feeling really good about the single leg call approach. Oh yeah, I'm feeling really good about it. So yeah, we want to hit that 120. Want to hit that 120 level. But yeah, I'm gonna buy some calls on this. Long, never bet against Becky. Long on Becky. Shout out to the stock guy on Twitch. Please come on our show.
Please respond to my emails.
Yeah, these girls have no idea who the Spice Girls are, because you know what? That's you're thinking of golden age Becky's. This is like post golden. These are postmodern Becky's. All right.
Yeah, these Becky's only have Taylor Swift and Ariana Grande on their Spotify.
Exactly, dude. They're probably even past that now. Isn't that kind of?
Oh, what's her name? Olivia Rodrigo or whatever.
Sure. Yeah, r/the red pill. Yeah, you guys just got red pilled. So yeah, so solid support from the Becky's. So thank you to them. Thank you. Starbucks is really counting on you guys. And we as investors are also counting on you. So keep buying pumpkin spice lattes.
Alina, let us know what the brand is on those over knee high boots. I have some DD I'm trying to do right now on a shovel play for fall clothing.
All right, guys, give us tickers for any company that does like luxury. Like what are the
Ulta, ULTA.
Yeah, well, but they don't make the fucking boots. They do.
No. Ulta's like makeup.
I know it's like makeup, but the Becky's, do you think they all use the same makeup brand?
They all go to Ulta to get the different makeup brands.
Oh yeah. Okay, so it's a retailer. Okay.
Yeah.
So Starbucks, don't let me forget about Starbucks. Hey Siri. Hey Siri. One more. Hey Siri. Remind me to buy a bunch of Starbucks calls in 15 minutes.
Alina, I don't know if Sephora is publicly traded. I know Ulta is. Let's check. Sephora.
All right, Sephora. But who makes the boots, Alina? That's got to be like, I'm looking for like luxury clothing, because all the Becky's are getting ready for the weather to change.
Are UGG publicly traded? I don't think so. No.
No. UGG boots are out, dude. Nordstrom, JWN. Let's look at JWN. All right, so we're actually on the 1 hour, so let me cool it. Let me chill for a second. I mean, when we were getting into oil, I also kind of wanted to get into some luxury brands, and we didn't. We didn't do the luxury brand thing. This is choppy as all get out. So I'm not really interested in this. Let me look at the weekly.
Oh, people are saying when you said "Hey Siri," the viewers' phones responded.
Alexa, play Rihanna Volume 10. Mine didn't hear me.
Ooh, Burlington.
Yeah, because we have so many boomers here that are doing the same thing my dad does. They're watching us on their smart TVs. Guys, how do you like the video? How do you give us likes and subscribes when you're using your smart TV? Is under DAC. Oh, DDS. Okay, so what is that? Dillard's? Is this what the hell is this?
No, what?
Well, the style of your life. No. This sounds like some Becky shit.
No, Dillard's is definitely Becky shit, but Tiny Pie is saying UGG is under the ticker deck.
Yeah, no, I saw that. Oh, but also these guys sell UGG. Where are the boots? We also don't know when this picture was taken. But I'm seeing them. I'm telling you guys. Okay. This is the dedication of this consumer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm going to say. 5, 6. 60% of Becky's wear the knee-high boots above denim jeans. This is a serious market trend that we're tapping into right now. So 6 out of 10 Becky's. That's over half. I have a graduate degree. So, okay, what is it? DDS? Ooh. I've looked at this one before. Why did I not? Okay, so this is the 1 week on DDS. Oh, yeah. Okay, so let's see if the run is expired. All right, guys, let me know what tool I'm thinking about that I'm about to apply to this to see if the run is done, which I don't think it is. What tool am I about to use on this thing? Real simple, like. North Face vest. Yeah. Oh, my God, that was killing me. Luke Jacoby. Collared shirt with the vest on top of it.
Wait, Tiny Pie is saying this feels like how what's his name? Roaring Kitty found GameStop. What's the story behind that? I don't know this.
Hold on. I don't know the full story. You gotta wait for the movie to come out. Someone said, so Scarjo, really good question. And here's what I think. You don't buy jean stocks because everyone's still kind of fat from lockdown. We can't wear our jeans. Or is that a play where everyone has to buy new jeans?
Ooh.
Scarjo.
You make a good point there.
Yeah, that one's tough. There it is. The Becky notch sequence. Exactly. The Becky notch sequence. So we're anchoring it to this previous end of a markup phase to the end or the accumulation phase. This is just a clear accumulation phase. I think we're targeting, what level is this? 219. So about 220, I would say. On DDS, folks like round numbers when it comes to stuff like this. So I'm going to bring that up to 220. So let me just stamp it. That's going to be our Becky target for DDS. You go down faster? Wait, what? Okay, whatever, dude. It's two. You guys know what it is. All right, and then what percentage is there to be won there? 13. It's not too bad, but it's this is a weekly chart, so it's a long time to wait. But we do have a little breakout happening on the weekly. Actually, it's kind of holding that resistance level. This has come up, but kind of holding that area. So DDS, yeah, that's a decent Becky stock, but Scarjo and Becky don't get fat, bro.
We do need 23 more likes if we want to get Spice Girls out of the closet today. With only a minute to go, Neil, I don't know if this good-looking, intelligent crowd of people can get us up to 100 likes to free the Spice Girls, but we shall see.
You know why? It's because they're getting lazy.
Oh.
You know, you guys you're sitting there with your little smart TV remote on your couch right now. It's the middle of the day. Who watches a YouTube stream in the middle of the day? All right. Are you guys too lazy? Otherwise, if you're not, how many more likes do we need?
We don't need any more likes. We did cross 100.
Jesus, guys. All right, guys. What shit? So your reward is on the way. It's in the mail. Coming in for getting us to 100 likes on the show. You can always do more. You guys can still get some more likes. You guys already know what it is. So now, in honor of Becky's, we're gonna bring up. Also, like they look so different. This is like styles through eras. We're man, this is all about. They were all trying to look like characters from Austin Powers. I swear to God. All right, guys. The original Becky's. Let their names be written in stone. Let their names be writ in fine marble. No,
Becky Spice.
I just saved the picture. No, that's not what I meant to do. Open image and new tab. That's a really small one. We've got Ginger. We've got Baby. We've got Sporty. We got Posh. And, of course, Scary. My personal favorite. Everyone has a favorite. Let me know your favorite Space Girl in the chat.
Big fan of Becky Spice.
What I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So tell me what you want, what you really, really want. I want it, 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 really, really, really want to take a sick. Take a sick, 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 take a sick.
Thank you guys for tuning in. This has been the Friday edition of Get Technical. With me as always, producer AB. Thanks for participating. We will see you on Monday. And until then, happy trading.
We have Moon or Bust coming up right now, so stay tuned. Where you're going to be talking some Penguin NFTs. Do not miss out. Do not go anywhere. This stream will automatically redirect you over to Moon or Bust, baby.